Everyone, this is Jamil here, and today in this video, in this program, in this session, you're going to learn how to perform the prayer, how many rakat are in the prayer, and what are the different time of the prayer, and how to practice a prayer, how to perform a prayer, and what is the timing of the prayer, and how you will be able to perfectly perform prayer. Before discuss about how to perform a prayer, first you guys need to know about how many rakat are in the prayer, what are the prayer timings, and how many prayers are. First of all, we just tell you peoples about there's a 5 prayer that you need to perform in the whole day, and what are the timing of the deep prayer and how many rakat are in each prayer that you need to perform it. First prayer is the Fajr, that is the morning prayer, and there's a 2 rakat in it. 2 are the Sunnah dot prayer that was performed by the Prophet, and other are 2 compulsory. First are mandatory prayers. So there's a total 4 rakat in the morning prayer, and other is Zohar, that is the afternoon prayer. There's a 4 Sunnah, 4 Fard, 2 Sunnah, and 2 Nafil. So 4 Sunnah are the prayer that was performed by the Prophet, and other 2 are compulsory. 2 are other Sunnah that was performed by the Prophet, and other 2 are the optional at the Nafil. So there is a 12 rakat in Zohar prayer, afternoon prayer, and then is the late afternoon prayer that is called Asr. There's a 4 Sunnah and there's a 4 Fard. 4 Sunnah, those prayer that was performed by the Prophet, and other are 4 compulsory, mandatory are the first prayer. So there's a 8 rakat in the Asr prayer. And after is the Maghrib, the evening prayer. In the evening prayer there's a 3 Fard compulsory and mandatory prayer, 2 Sunnah, 2 Nafil option prayer. So there's a total 7 rakat in the Maghrib prayer. And then is the Isha prayer. There's a 4 Sunnah, 4 Fard compulsory prayer, 2 Sunnah, 2 Nafil, and there's a 3 Witr. The Witr, here you will see some different. The Witr prayer are those prayers that you only perform with the Isha or the night prayer, and 2 Nafil. So there's a 17 prayer. So Isha prayer is little longer as compared to comparatively we see the other prayer. Zohar, the Fajr morning prayer with 4 rakat, Zohar afternoon prayer with 12 rakat, Asr is the late afternoon prayer with 8 rakat, and Maghrib is the evening prayer with 7 rakat, and Isha is the night prayer with 17 rakat. So these are all rakat, and these are the prayer time. And here you guys going to learn about how to say the prayer, how to perform the prayer. In the first position in the prayer is the takbir. What is the takbir? In the takbir, you are standing posture. Let's start with the standing posture. You stand yourself and you give a posture called this takbir at the beginning of the individual. You raise your both hands simultaneously to the level of the ear. And the second is called Qiyam. What is the Qiyam? Qiyam is the lowering of the hand to the waist, shoulder relax, encouraging relaxed breathing. Upon starting the body weight every distributed, you are trying to distribute your body to both feet between the cancels and the distal end of the mental bones is called Qiyam. And the third is called Raku. Bowing postures, bowing with the hand rested on the knees and the back held straight for the few seconds, bow by the person raising backs to an erect posture. And the fourth is called Sajda. Sajda is the propositions posture. The individual goes down to his or her knees and rest his or her hand and forehead on the ground in the proposition known as sajda or sujood. 7 body parts remain in contact in the floor in this particular position of the sajda. Hope so through this video you will be able to learn about what are the prayer timings, how many rakat are in the prayer, and what are the position of the prayer. So if you guys didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it now. And for more good video, please subscribe our channel. So till next video, please take care of yourself. Goodbye.